Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add a sticky announcement bar in Shopify. Before making your announcement bar sticky, it's vital to craft one that's worth sticking. Ensure your message is clear, concise, and compelling. Use actionable language and create a sense of urgency or exclusivity if applicable. Color contrast between the announcement bar and your site's header can also make the message stand out further. The process involves a few steps, often requiring you to dive into your Shopify theme's code. Here's a generalized approach that works with many themes. Navigate to your Shopify admin panel and click on Online Store, then Themes. Find the theme you want to edit and select the three dots, then tap Edit Code. The key to make your announcement bar sticky lies in the right CSS code. You'll typically want to modify the CSS file name theme.scss.liquid or base.css. Then add the following code to the bottom of the file. This code makes the announcement bar stick to the top of the page as you scroll down. Z index ensured it stays above other page elements. Ensuring your announcement bar is also sticky on mobile devices is crucial, as a significant portion of online shopping happens on smartphones and tablets. Test the mobile view and adjust the CSS if necessary. Sometimes, additional tweaks in the theme settings or a separate mobile-specific CSS might be needed for optimal display. A sticky announcement bar is more than just a nifty trick. It's a strategic tool to keep your audience informed and engaged. By following this, you can enhance visibility for promotions, announcements, or any critical information, ensuring it remains front and center no matter how far down your visitors scroll. Remember, the goal is not just to make the bar sticky, but to do so in a way that complements your site's design and enhance the user experience. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.